In this video, we're going to set up the Syncro integration. By integrating Syncro with Augmentt, you're able to create alert tickets directly in Syncro and let your team focus on actionable insights. Let's start in the Syncro platform. Navigate to Admin and then API Tokens. Select New Token and then Custom Permissions. You can name this whatever you like, and the expiration date is optional. Create an API token with the following minimum permissions: customers, list search, and tickets create. Now, copy your API token and your Syncro URL. Now, let's open up the Augmentt platform and then navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Click the Connect button on Syncro. Enter your API token and your Syncro URL in the fields and then click Connect. Now, let's map your PSA clients to your Augmentt companies. Click Select an Account on the Customer column and then choose the appropriate Syncro customer that should be mapped to the Augmentt customer account. After mapping your clients, click on the Ticketing tab. From here, you can set up your ticketing defaults. These settings will be used when a ticket is generated by Augmentt. You can also map the Microsoft ticket severity to your Syncro priorities, so that tickets receive the appropriate attention from your help desk. And that's it. Your integration is now complete.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.